Okay, part 2. This coffee, you see it at Walmart, okay? You buy this coffee, okay? I'm not promoting them. I'm just telling you, this stuff is good. You get this. I can't pronounce that. I know it says Crema Bourgeois. It sounds like a French name. And his French roasted. This is 100%. This is dark. This is very good. And then we got French vanilla, another good flavor to get in coffee. Okay. And we got same thing. And we got Colombian coffee. Okay, that's not bad. That's another good flavor. And we got mocha. So mocha's like chocolate and coffee. Very good. Okay. So I'm going to show you how I mix them. Okay, in the next video. And how it's done. Let's get this going.